Welcome to this tutorial on connecting agents to the manager. In this tutorial, we'll cover connecting agents to the manager, troubleshooting connection issues, checking files are transferred to the agents. You can start either the RFSwarm Manager or the RFSwarm Agent first. It doesn't matter which order you start them in. I'll first demonstrate starting the manager and then starting the agents. When the agents start, it will attempt to connect to the manager. If it fails, it will retry every 10 seconds until it makes a connection. After connecting, the agent will regularly send a status update to the manager. Next, I'll demonstrate the manager starting after the agents. The agents can be left running, so I'll only restart one and leave the others running. The Agents tab also refreshes periodically, so there may be a delay between the agent connecting and showing in the Agents tab. Please allow 15 to 20 seconds for the agent to show in the Agents tab. If an agent fails or is disconnected, after some time it will show in the Agents tab as offline with a question mark. If your agent fails to connect to the manager, there can be several reasons for this. One reason is name resolution. You can try pinging the manager from the agent. You can also try using the fully qualified domain name. You can also try pinging by IP address, either IP4 or IP6. Network connectivity can also cause issues, as can firewalls. Check with your network team whether it's a network connectivity or firewall issue that's causing your connection issue. Agent to manager communication is with the HTTP protocol, operating on port 8138 by default. You may need to discuss with your network team about this communication protocol. Ask them to open this port on any firewalls between your agent and the manager, or advise you on another port number you can use instead. You can put the manager URL into a web browser to check connectivity at different points in the network between the manager and the agent, to identify where the connection stops working. Here I will simulate a connectivity issue by running the manager on port 8080, so you can see the agent failing to connect. You can also run the agent with debug level 2 to see when the agent attempts to connect and the connection status. If you need to try several port numbers to find one that works, you can also set the manager URL on the command line with the -m option. As mentioned in the RFSwarm documentation, the manager identifies the files that the agent needs in order to be able to run the robot framework tests in your scenario. The agent queries the manager for a file list and then downloads the files locally from the manager. However, sometimes a file needed for your test might not get transferred to the agent. In order to troubleshoot this process, you can run the manager with debug level 3 and the agent with debug level 1, and the files will get listed on the manager as they are identified. And on the agent as they get downloaded. If you are having issues related to file transfers, start by reviewing the following sections in the documentation. In the overview concepts, robot file handling transfers from manager to agent. This section covers the how and why of the file transfer process. Preparing a test case for performance, data management, support files. This section covers how to deal with extra files you might need, like attachments for your test uploads to the app you're testing. These documentation links will be in the description. If you're still having issues, please use the RFSwarm support channels, Discord, Slack, GitHub issues, or the Robot Framework forum. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. To see more tutorials, please click the subscribe button. And finally, please leave a comment about what tutorials you'd like to see in the future.